Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to create database in MS Excel 2019. It's a very simple tool, but it's very useful. You can maintain your data, daily base data which you are inputting in the system to create a weekly, monthly and yearly and many year based database by using this simple technique in MS Excel. First of all, you have to save your file in MS Excel macro version. But first I will show you how it's work. For example, you will type the ID ABC date of joining, any date, and department, any department. When you click submit, the data will disappear. So next you will type employee name, any date, and department. You just click submit. The form is empty for the next data. So where data is going, you can see in the Nasheed database, the data is recording here. You can see, for example, I will type anything here. You can see data is disappearing, but data is recorded here. So that tool today we are going to learn. So first of all, when you create this table, always bring one dummy data in first line. So that is a guideline when you create a database. Let's start. So we have one sheet. What we have to do, first of all, employee ID, employee name, date of joining, and department. So click here, double click to adjust the column and rows, adjust according to your convenient. Okay, no need this much cell. Just select Control Shift and right arrow key. It will select all the empty rows. Hide. It is not important, but for formatting purpose I'm just teaching you. Select this one, Control Shift down arrow key. It will select all empty rows and hide it. Now what we have two column. Select that one, Control 1, make any design. Let's say I will choose this border style. This is the border style I have. After 3, just keep 1. Okay, let's make like this. Behind line, grid line, how to hide? View, unclick grid line. Let me make little bit. Okay, make this one little bit format, bold. Now you have this sheet with you. Make one more sheet here. Give any name, like I give database. The same formatting, or any employee ID. Let me type 1 2 3. Employee ID, face, employee name, Faisal, date of joining. Okay, department administration. Okay, so as a dummy data, just copy, come here. Wherever you are going to make database, always remember it should start from A1 cell. Click and paste, right click and paste, or Control V also you can use. So you have now a data with you. So what you want your data will paste. As you enter and submit, the data will come next to the existing one. First of all, go in insert, take any picture. I'll take this one, right here, choose any color, right click, add text, choose any style, write submit. Make little bit big font and make little bit formatting. Now we have to save this file first of all in macro. Press F12. This is a shortcut key. You can see here it's written save as. Save on any location. I'm saving on desktop or database file. But here you have to choose save type. Excel macro enabled workbook. You have to select this one. Excel macro enabled workbook. Just click here and then save. So what happened? Your file save in macro. Let me make it small. Okay, the file saved in macro. Now you have to record a macro on submit button. Right click. Here you can see down below the sheet 1, you can see there's one sign is there. But when you start recording, assign macro, give any name, database, record, you can see here one box become. That box mean the recording start. Other thing you can check in developer, you can see stop recording, but it's mean that recording already started. So now we have to record our action. So we are giving instruction to macro to select this area, copy, go in database sheet. Always remember, wherever you are, just press Control Home. It will reach A1 cells. A1 cell is selected. See, so wherever you are, Control Home. After pressing the Control Home, you have to press Control down key, down arrow key. It will jump on the last data cell. So last data is 1, 2, 3. So the cell is jumped on 1, 2, 3. That two action you have to take. Again check, it's very important to make database. Control Home, it will reach on the top where data started. Then Control down arrow key, it will reach on the last line of the data. After that, go in developer tool and press on use relative references. That key help you to create a database. That is very important. So just understand, when you click this one, after that you have to just press down arrow key one time without using control. Then right click, paste in value, again right click, paste in format, that the same format which is in the form. So what happened, the same data pasted here. So after that, just press again use relative reference, come back, delete this data and stop recording from here or from the down where ready is written, and the next there's one box. You can click here to stop recording or you can click here to stop recording. Now recording is stopped. Some people will ask the question, in our Excel there is a no developer tab. So how to bring the developer tab, I will tell you at the last, but let me complete now the database. So now let's try 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. This is staff ID, employee name Abu Muhammad, date of joining 12/5/2020, department sales. Now press submit. You can see the data automatically came here. So the same way you can add any name, any department, submit. that way you can make the database, right? So that is a simple way how you can make the database in Excel 2019. Few people don't have a developer tool in their Excel, so what you have to do, go in file. In file you have to go in option. In option you have to go in customize ribbon. In customize ribbon there is a main tab. Always developer tool is unclick, so just click this one and okay, so developer tool will come here, right? So that is the way that you can create your database. Last example I'll show you. So just click submit, so you can see the data is coming automatically here. So like that way you can create millions of rows with the database. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep subscribe and watch, and please put your comment if any. Thank you so much.